now, the one that they did, you'll see that this edge moves back and forth.
Yes.
That's a pain, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. Because these rollers are probably set right now at originally when we shipped the machine. Okay? I don't know, maybe not, but this is your problem, right?
Yes.
Here's how we're going to solve it. This top plate here, if you look at this bag right now, this top plate holds that fold, right? So, but if I have a bubble here, that fold's going to go back and forth.
Yes.
What I want to do is keep it tight on the plate. How do I keep it tight on the plate? When you run a stand-up pouch, you don't use this one. You use this one.
Okay, you use a stand-up pouch, use it out. No, this.
Not this one.
Okay.
So lift this one off. It's not used. We back these off so we don't let the spring stay compressed and damaged over time. Just back it off and just run it down a little bit. It might fall out, so keep a little tension on it. Okay, so we know we have a gusset. So how many layers of material are right here? 4. There's only 2 here.
Yes.
So if I put all the rollers equal, this side, no matter what, is going to get more pressure because there's more film.
Yep.
What I want to do, you can lift this up. It's okay. I don't care what that does. Just hold
Yeah,
it.
the dancer is up a little.
No, that's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. What I want to do now is I want to move this out. Move this out.
So you put it so everything drags that way.
So it actually pulls it tight on this plate. But I put this is my gusset, I'm going to grab just the top part of the gusset because I still have to pull on the gusset. Which means now I know where the gusset is, I might move it here, here, and here. So, this one, I'm going to back off. You can drop it down now. You can drop this down. Okay. Now, you see here? I can back these off, no problem. Right? And I know how much there is, but it's the gap, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to bring this down. I got about 6 threads there. I'm going to put this to maybe 4. So I know this side is pushing more. Why is it pushing more? Because I want this to kind of pull and stay tight on that plate. If I know where the plate is and the material's stuck to the plate, why is it going to move? That's how you run the machine. Pull it down. Now, this might be good, might not be good. I might readjust it again. But look how it naturally already wants to go where it's supposed to be. Now, these rollers usually don't have this much of an angle on them. You put this much. You see, I'm already tight. I'm already tight on this. Okay? Look, I don't have any other rollers and it's already doing what it's supposed to do. And I don't even have any in the front of the machine. Remember what I said earlier? I'm going to web just this part and have it pretty close without even doing anything up front. Here I'm going to drop this one down. What you want to do is you want to follow what's called the fold line. See here?
Yeah.
That's the fold line. This needs to go in and follow, not push.
Yeah.
Just let it naturally follow the fold line. This should be loose. This goes right up against it. Now it should be fine. If it doesn't track well, I'll add a weight, or I'll add a weight. I'll push this out further. Okay? But it seems to be tracking pretty good. I do see a problem here because the roll needs to shift 3/4 of an inch one direction. Which way? Which way does the roll need to go? Perfect. Do you know how to move the roll? Look, we got some wrinkles here, don't we? Yeah. I might spread the rollers out and take some of them off. I don't need all the rollers. That's where these wrinkles are coming from. See here? So
cool.
you don't see it in a bag. And this film is very thin to make a stand-up pouch. You won't see this in a bag, but it bugs me. Okay? So we'll fix it. basically it's all about positioning the roller. I may take 2 more off of either side, then equal 6.
You're talking about the same rollers that you would do here, right?
I will, no, this is flat. This has a gusset.
No, I'm saying no. These rollers that you readjusted.
I'm going to readjust those a little bit. Because you see how there's a buckling here?
Yeah.
Right here? And it's all slacked over there.
Exactly.
Okay? So I need to figure out why this is. There may be too many here. I may only need to pull 1 here and let the rest loosen a little bit. Or they might be dirty. There might be a film on it and you need to clean.
Good local. All right, no problem.
So what I want to do is I want to shift this over. 3/4 of an inch. Now I still have a full 2 inches either way. So I don't necessarily need to move this anymore, but I just jogged it. When we start running, and I'm going to run and jog the machine, I'll see how it dances and balances out. Because again, jogging is not running. Running is much different than jogging. So when we run it, then I'll see what these draw rolls are really doing. Okay?